I heard that IKEA has some of their new spring items out, so I'm here right now. Let's go check and see what's new in store, and I'll share with you some of my favorite things and how I would style them. Let's go. Let's go up to the showroom. I just want to see if they have any new displays and if they have any of their spring products on display. This is a new cushion. I'm not a huge fan of this pattern, but it's a nice neutral. Here's the new paper napkin pack. Colors are fun, but the pattern's not really me. Here's some more of their new spring cushions. Here's a floral pattern. I do like the colors, but again, the pattern's maybe a little bit too modern for myself. Now this is a really pretty blue color for spring and summer. I love their velvet cushion covers. This here is a new color in their Cougas storage bin, only $10, kind of this nice grayish tone that would match a lot of decor styles. This whole bed is really pretty cottagecore look. I love the greens and the pinks together. And these colorful floral pillows are really nice too. This here is a new love seat. It is $3.99. It's called the Roxion. And I love this striped slipcover. This is really cute. Now this isn't a new sofa, but I've been eyeing this one for a really long time. It's the Hill Tarp, and I think it's just such a beautiful transitional look. Love the white, but they also have a gray slipcover and this beautiful brown as well. I just think it's such a beautiful looking sofa. This one's the love seat, a little bit pricey, but I think it just looks like such a pretty piece. This sofa bed is new, and this is actually a really nice piece. So, oh no, wait, it's not new. It's the Finala, but it has a new lower price. I also love this duvet set. If I was to get the Hill Tarp sofa or love seat, I would get this natural color. This shelf up here is new. It's the Frixis shelf, and I love the wicker look. Here's a new table called the Hauga. Here's a new style of spice jar. They're a little bit taller and skinnier than the other ones, which I actually think is a lot nicer. I would definitely use these more than these ones. And $7 for a pack of 4 is a pretty good deal. This is a cute one of desk organizers here. I love this sage green color. $20. This would be great for a work at home situation. And I feel like sage green is a relatively neutral color and would work with a lot of different styles. I did notice that IKEA is revamping their dressers where they have a safety feature where you can't open all of the drawers at once unless they're mounted to the wall. I do like the look of this one. It's a Kilberget, $149 Canadian. I think this would be nice to paint and swap out the hardware. I really like this bowl storage set. Look at those colors, the greens, the blues, the yellows. You get 5 bowls in this set, and it's only $14.99. Now, I think this was new last season, but I still really love this dishware. For throw blankets, I'm really liking some of their textures that they have this season. So they kind of have this double muslin type throw. And I also really like the pinks that they're incorporating for spring. This waffle texture especially, I think is really lovely and could be styled in a bedroom or a living room. And I think my daughters would love this fuzzy one. Here's some new room darkening drapes. These ones are this lovely pink color with a beautiful lining. They feel really substantial. They do have a couple of new simple budget-friendly storage baskets. The beige is very neutral. They have a few different sizes. I like this pendant lamp. Look at the dark green with the brass and the beige with the brass. That could look beautiful in a breakfast nook. I saw these shades online and I thought they were really interesting. I really enjoy this braided detail on the edge. Only $29.99. The Maven. I thought they'd be a really nice budget-friendly way to update some pendants I already have. This is a cute new candle dish. I love the color and the shape. I could see using this for some sort of DIY, maybe a tiered tray or something like that. IKEA usually does a really good job with their faux florals. They're usually really affordable. For example, these $1.49, and they're actually really pretty. Here's the new style of plant pot, $4.99. Love the green, love the ridges. You can sense there's a theme here, right? Lots of pink, lots of green in store, which I mean are my two favorite colors, really. I think this plant basket is new. I can't see the price or what it's called, but I'll look online when I'm done here. But this is so pretty, and it's made of a resin, I think. Oh no, it's real wicker. That's gorgeous. So I actually exhibited a lot of self-control today. I only bought this bowl set, which I thought would be really practical for our kitchen, or I use these types of bowls a lot when we're camping in our RV in the summer, and camping bookings coming up soon. And then I just bought a replacement filter for the air purifier table we have in our rental, because that needs to be replaced. Lots of greens, lots of blues in store, which I love those colors so much. I'm so excited to bring those back in my own home for spring. They're very springy to me. Also saw lots of browns and handmade looking items in IKEA, and of course a lot of those natural woven textiles, which I think are always a great addition to your space. Texture is always something that we forget to add to our homes, and IKEA definitely has lots of budget-friendly textured items like the lampshades and baskets. On my wish list, and not new for this season, are the plaid drapes that I saw. I want to do an office makeover this spring, or maybe a bit before, in the deep greens and maybe some blush pinks. So I love those drapes for an office. They're very, very chic. And I really have those sofas on my list. I don't love the sofa that I have, and then I don't have a matching one. I just kind of have a mishmash in my living room right now. So on my wish list, I think it'd be interesting to buy them and try them and review them, because I know a lot of people have questions about IKEA furniture. So let me know which of those IKEA finds for spring was your favorite down in those comments below, and also what you think of those plaid drapes, and also what you think of the sofas. If you like IKEA as much as I do, you're gonna love this video that I'm gonna leave for you next right here, where I share some of my favorite IKEA hacks to organize your home, increase the storage. Even if you have a small space, you're gonna love these.